This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use a lower back belt. First, always position the belt so its widest part fully covers your lower back, right over your lumbar spine. Make sure the bottom edge rests just above your hip bones for optimal support. This correct placement is crucial, providing targeted compression and stabilization right where you need it most. Improper positioning can reduce its effectiveness. Once positioned, wrap the main strap around your waist and fasten it securely, ensuring it's not twisted. Next, use the smaller, adjustable secondary straps to fine-tune the compression to your comfort level. The belt should feel snug and supportive, providing firm pressure without causing any discomfort or restricting your ability to breathe or move naturally. You should be able to slide one finger easily under the belt. Wear your lower back belt during activities that typically strain your back, such as lifting heavy objects, engaging in repetitive movements, or standing for long periods. It's generally recommended to limit continuous wear to about 2 or 3 hours at a time, giving your muscles a chance to work independently. Take short breaks from the belt to avoid over-reliance. Always consult your healthcare provider for specific advice regarding your condition or extended daily use. To maintain your belt's effectiveness and longevity, hand wash it gently with mild soap and then air dry completely, avoiding direct heat. Regularly inspect the material and fasteners for any signs of wear and tear, replacing the belt if it loses its elasticity or integrity. When used correctly, a lower back belt offers immediate support, encourages better posture, and can significantly reduce the strain on your lower back during demanding activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.